If you use Adobe Lightroom Classic and want a faster, smoother workflow, then understanding smart previews and built previews can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they do, how to build them, and the best setup to use during import. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips. Let's start with smart previews. Smart previews let you edit photos even when your original files are offline. That means you can keep working smoothly on a laptop, on the go, or while your drive is disconnected. The big advantage is speed. Lightroom can handle editing more efficiently because it doesn't always need to pull from the full original file. To build smart previews, first go to the Library module by pressing G if needed. Then select the photos you want to work with. After that, go up to the top menu, choose Library, then Previews, and click Build Smart Previews. Lightroom will create smaller, editable versions of those photos in the background. Once that's done, you can continue editing even if the originals are not available. Now let's talk about regular previews. Previews mainly control how quickly images load and how sharp they look while you're browsing and zooming. If you want a faster import, choose Minimal. This creates the smallest previews and gets your photos into Lightroom as quickly as possible. If you want a more balanced option for normal editing, Standard is usually the best choice. And if you need to inspect detail closely, one-to-one previews give you full zoom quality so you can check sharpness and focus more accurately. To build previews manually, stay in the Library module, then go to Library, Previews, and select Build Previews. Lightroom will generate the preview type you need for the selected images. This is especially useful if you're preparing a batch of photos for culling or detailed review. The best setup happens during import. On the import screen, look at the right-hand panel, set Build Previews to Standard, and also enable Build Smart Previews. This gives you a strong workflow right from the start. You get good browsing speed, smoother editing, and the flexibility to work offline later if needed. A great pro tip is to use smart previews while editing for better performance, especially if you're working with large RAW files. Then when your original drive reconnects, Lightroom automatically switches back to the originals without you needing to do anything extra. So the simple workflow is this. Import with standard previews and smart previews turned on. Use one-to-one previews only when you really need to check detail, and keep smart previews enabled for a faster editing experience. That's the easiest way to make Lightroom Classic feel much more responsive. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom Classic tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing the best cache and preview settings for even faster performance.